Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean a SIM card. So I have two ways to show you today. You need to locate the SIM card in your phone. It depends on the model you have. On this phone, I have it at the top right here. On this one, it's on the right at the bottom of the phone. On this Samsung, it's at the top right here. On this iPhone, it's at the bottom. You will see a little hole right there. On this phone, it's on the right. It depends on models. So I'm gonna use this phone. It's at the top. You need a paper clip or something to get the SIM card out. Make sure you locate the SIM card first in order not to damage any other parts on your phone. So this is the SIM card. You just insert the paper clip, or if you have an eject tool, you use it. You just press. Do not force too much. The tray is out. Now you just take the SIM card out. This is the SIM card. It depends on the size of the SIM card. You have nano SIM card, micro, or standard one. So the first method, you can use an eraser like this or like this. You put the SIM card on a flat surface to avoid damaging the SIM card. And you just clean with the eraser softly like this. You keep on cleaning until the SIM card is clean and bright. You do all the sides. As you can see, I am cleaning the gold part of the SIM card. And I use a microfiber cloth for glasses to clean because it's soft. So the second method, we're going to use alcohol, either 50% or 90%. It does not make any difference. I never put alcohol on the SIM card. I will put alcohol on the cloth like this and clean. Your SIM card needs to be dry before you insert it in your smartphone. So the SIM card is clean. There is one corner of the SIM card which is cut off. On the tray, the same thing. There is a notch right there on one corner. So you just insert the SIM card. So there is only one way to do it. And you insert the SIM card in your phone. So today's video is about cleaning a SIM card. If you have any other issues with your SIM card, like SIM card not detected, stuff like that, you can check my other video. That's it guys, that's the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.